Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Video lectures for final term for class 2. Lecture number 2, subject English, from the book Oxford Reading Circle by Miss Ruhi Amir from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Contents. Recap of unit number 16, the Kind Dolphins. Word sentences, unit number 16. Question answers of unit number 16. Exercise C, part 1, page 102. Exercise C, part 2, page 102. Instructions. Get ready, students. You must fully concentrate on what is taught to you. Take out your books, notebooks, and stationery, because you also have to do some written work. Supervision of your elder siblings or parents is required. Recap of the unit number 16, the Kind Dolphins. Recap unit number 16, the Kind Dolphins. Here I'm going to discuss the key points of the story, the Kind Dolphins. A fisherman lived on a river in his boat house. The fisherman was poor but kind, as he shared things with his family, friends, and the dolphins. The dolphins were blind. They did not need eyes, as they lived in the brown and muddy water. डॉल्फिन्स अंधी थी और वो ब्राउन और मडी वाटर में रहती थी, इसलिए उनको आइस की जरूरत भी नहीं थी. One day, the fisherman caught many fish like carp and shrimp and shared with the dolphins. एक दिन मछेरे ने बहुत सारी मछली पकड़ी. उसने कार्प और श्रिम्प भी पकड़ी. और आपको पता है कि ये डॉल्फिन्स का फेवरेट फूड है, इसलिए उसने कार्प और श्रिम्प डॉल्फिन्स को भी शेयर किया. Later on, there came a storm and the fisherman stayed on the deck and suddenly toppled and fell into the river. बाद में एक तूफान आया और मछेरा अपने डेक पर ही खड़ा रहा. बोट के डेक पे खड़े होने का मतलब है कि उस बोट के फर्श पे खड़ा रहा और अपनी फैमिली को उसने बोट हाउस में कर दिया. और सडनली उसका पाँव टिप ओवर किया और वो दरिया में गिर गया. उसकी बीवी बहुत ज्यादा रोई. She cried a lot and said, "Oh dear, where are you? Where have you gone?" The two dolphins brought the fisherman back to the boat. As you know, the fisherman was kind to the dolphins. So in reverse, the dolphins brought the fisherman back to the boat when the fisherman fell into the river. The fisherman told his wife that how he toppled into the river and told his wife to ask the dolphins who brought him back. Fisherman ने अपनी बीवी से कहा कि डॉल्फिन से पूछो कि मैं किस तरह वापस बोट पर आया। Sentences. Students, sentences are group of words. Sentence always start with a capital letter and ends in a full stop. Here below, I have given few sample sentences to you for certain words. You can also make practice writing your own sentences as well. The first word is river. I have used the word river in a sentence. There is plenty of fish in the river. Another word is friends. The sample sentence for the friend words is I have many friends in my class. The third word is tasty. This meal is very tasty. ये खाना बहुत मजे का है. The fourth word of a sentence is kind. My parents are very kind to me. मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे माँ बाप मेरे साथ बहुत मेहरबान हैं. Now it's time for question answers. Students, open your notebooks and your books page number 101. The question number 1 is where did the fisherman live? Where did the fisherman live? Its answer is the fisherman lived on a broad river far in the north in his boat house. फिशरमैन एक ब्रॉड रिवर में अपने बोट हाउस में रहता था. Question number 2 is how are the river dolphins different from other dolphins of the world? रिवर डॉल्फिन्स दुनिया की दूसरी डॉल्फिन से किस तरह मुख्तलिफ थीं? Yes, you are telling the right answer. The river dolphins were different because they were blind. The question number 3 is what do dolphins like the most? Okay, you tell me. What do dolphins like the most? Yes, you're right. The dolphins like carp and tiny shrimp the most. Now, it's time for writing the opposite meanings of certain words. Students, please open your notebooks, hold your pencils in your hands, and take out your books, page number 102. We are going to do exercise C, part 1. Words, opposites. The first word is unkind. Unkind means मेहरबान ना होना. And kind means मेहरबान. So opposite of unkind is kind. The second word is soft. And its opposite meaning is hard. The third word is rich. Rich means amir, and its opposite is poor, which means gharib. Number 4 word is somewhere, kahin bhi, and its opposite is nowhere, kahin bhi nahi. Number 5 word is enemies. Enemies means dushman, and its opposite is friends, means those. Number 6 word is narrow. Narrow means tongue, and its opposite is wide. Wide means wasi, khula. Now we are done with the words and opposite. I hope you must have written all and you must learn also. Exercise C, Part 2, page number 102. This exercise is about the names of the countries. Open your books, page number 102. Hold your pencils in your hands and open your notebooks. Think of the countries beginning with. As you know, there are many countries in the world. The sample names of the countries are given to you. Spain. Spain is the country name that starts with S. Spain. The second name of the country as a sample is given to you. It starts with I. Italy. Now, the letter A is given as an initial to you. Think of a country name that starts with A. Yes, it is Australia. 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 There are many other country names starting with A, like Afghanistan, America, and Argentina. The initial G is given to you. Think of a country name that starts with G. Yes, it is Germany. Germany. There are many other country names that starts with G. For example, Georgia, Greece, and Ghana. The initial J is given to you. Now think of a country name that starts with J. Japan. 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 There are many other country names that starting with J. Jamaica and Jordan. Now think of a country that starts with an initial B. It is Brazil. There are many other country names that starts with B. For example, Bahrain, Benin, and Belgium. Now it's time for homework. Learn and write questions, answers, page number 101, 102. Learn and write exercise C, part 1 and 2, page number 102. Thank you, students. I hope you must have understood what is taught to you. Before I leave, I would like to advise you to wash your hands before and after taking meals, sanitize your hands, wear masks whenever you go outside your house. Allah Hafiz.